Isn't that a perfect weather? I shall commence the enlightenment process by now.
Soon enough, my life will change permanently. All I have to do is to cover myself in oil and go outside.